Hi, how are you today? Today is your 18th birthday and I'm so happy to be part of this. Your mom messaged me murag mga 2 weeks ago and I was so happy because I know you during the time that you were enrolled in the Waan National High School. That was pandemic grade 7, and the family of yours is so sila kana doubtful on the entrance of you in the Waan National High School, but I assured them na mga teachers, the environment, the community of the Waan National High School would really be welcoming on you. And I remember that that was